we should select a color and selecting white. Next one, we should look the middle cube first. Here we should complete with white, blue and white. We should find it. Here it is. So we should turn it to white side. So we will get like this, and turn it to blue side. Next, here, white and green. It is here. So we should turn it to white side. It's already in green side. But one line is finished. Next we should do plus. Orange and white. Here orange and white is there. So we should turn it here. Turn it like this. It's not coming correct way. So we should turn it down as normal and make it up. Turn it in white side. Make it down. So one cube is remaining to make a plus. White and red. White and red is here. So we should do as same as the orange. So the plus is finished here. Next, side cube. Here we wanted green, white and orange. We should find it. Here it is. So we should turn it like this. It's coming down. So we should turn it to normal side and we should turn it up. Again turn it to right side of the cube and again turn it down. So we get the correct place here. Next one, here, white, orange and blue. It's here. So we should turn this one and we are getting it down. Do same as this cube. So plus and T is finished. Next here, red, blue and white. It is here. So we should turn it like this. It's not coming. So again turn it. It's coming down. So turn it to the white side. Turn it up. Turn it to this its cube side. Turn it down. So the one cube is remaining to make white. Green, red and white. It is here. So we should turn it like this. Turn it down. Turn it to the white side. And again turn it as the other cubes. Do like this. Down. And the white is finished and the first layer is finished. Equation 1 is completed. All the best. Next we are going to do the second layer. First we can take blue and red. Blue and red is here. So up there is blue's cube. So not in the red's place, other place we should keep the blue's cube near blue color. And keep it down and take the blue side second layer cube here and make it up. That time white's one cube gone there. Make it here. Make it to front and white down here. So yeah, red, blue and white here finished. Next one here. Next one is blue and orange. Let's find it. Blue and orange is inside cube, so don't take it now. Next one. Red and green. It's here. So keep it near the red at the blue's place, not the green's place. Keep the white's cube down and this here. this to the red's place and it up. So the white's cube gone here and do this like this, keep it down and do it like this. So this form also completed. Next one, blue and green came here because we do the red and green. Orange and green came. So we should do it in blue's place because we cannot do green as the down color is green. And keep it down, keep it here, keep it up and do like this. Again the white's cube missing here, keep it down and do it like this, turn it like this. So one cube is remaining, blue and orange. Find it. We got it. So keep it in red's place because orange we cannot keep as the down's color was orange. And do it down, keep it to the blue's place and turn it up and do like this. Turn it down and do like this, like this. So the second layer also completed. We got plus here. If we did not got plus, we should do that. If we did not get plus, if now I changed it as L. L means L as the opposite side, not usual L, opposite. So we should do the process is F. F means fold like this. R, right side up. T means top layer here. R again, right side down. T, top layer again opposite. F, R, F opposite side. So we got minus. And again F, R, T, and F. We got plus here. And next one is we should look the colors here. These two came correct, these two didn't. So we should keep it in our right side and turn it like this. Left, up, left, down, left, up, left, down. So again we should do like this. Left, up, left, down, left, up, left. So we get the same here, plus form. Every color is in the plus form now. And 3 cubes is remaining. This cube already formed in this. Next form, to make it correct. Again. So we got the correct here. Next step. Here is the correct. So down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right. So the Rubik's Cube is completed now. All the best.